Have you not seen my fantastic eyes?
Man, you seen my foot cream anywhere?
Really, really, husband? I am filming right now.
Oh, my bad.
Let's just get this rolling. Welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Alyssa Edwards times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Honey, are these shades not adorable? And we're also gonna, you know, pop in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil Spray. That's why my sexy chest is out. Ooh, yeah, baby. Got that glow. I'm trying to see how this works on me. Oh, I was a rapper back in my past life. So for all the new people, if you don't know, sometimes I'll rap, sing, dance, I don't know, play the tuba on this channel. But no matter what I do, I promise it'll be for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smack that bell button because, baby, we get busy on this channel and you don't want to miss a beat, okay? All right, so without further ado, mama's about to get started, all right? Honey, roll the film. Yes. I totally forgot that Anastasia Beverly Hills also came out with a new primer. This is a photo of it. The primer is brand spanking new and it's basically a white base. I totally forgot to pick it up, so I'm sorry guys. But we're gonna have to work with the oldie but goodie. We're gonna have to work with the NYX white base. Actually, I don't care what base you use. It's either gonna work or it's not. So let's just go ahead and let's zoom into these eyes so we can get started. Hey, big head. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and get into my little raggedy brush. Go over my eyes with this white base. This used to be the oldie but goodie back in the day, okay? Especially when you wanted all your colors to pop. I will pull out an oldie but goodie in a heartbeat, okay? Okay, so I have a specific look I want to do. So I'm gonna start off with Unicorn Tribe here. I'm gonna pat these shades on first before I start blending. I don't want to go right in blending because with pigmented colors, you guys, it can be a hit or miss if they're not done correctly. So what I always say, and the safest bet for me, I will start off with a flat brush and just pat on the color. And then I will go in and blend them out. It just works so much better for me. And it gives a more even finish than like a more chalky, dusty, or very patchy finish. I'm going to get Believe, and that is this really pretty purple here. I'm going to take it with my flat head, and I'm going to pat like almost in a stamping like motion into my outer V right here, and I'm just gonna bring it up and over. I'm gonna wipe off my brush, blend Unicorn Tribe into Believe. And we're gonna see how they blend together. I am getting a tad bit of patchiness here. I'm gonna see if I can fix it. Because when you blend, they start to kind of darken a little bit. So I can see if, you know, some people have some issues with blending. I can see why. Use like a super, super light hand, you guys. I think my MAC 224S is working way better than my Sephora. It's a little bit better. This side, however, right in here, I don't want that. We about to cover it up with black anyway, so I'm gonna dip into the shade Beast because I want this to be super dramatic. I'm actually just gonna, that's why I don't really care too much about that part right there, because I'm just gonna add some more depth in this corner here. Blending, I'm blending, 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 blending. Oh honey, I'm blending. Blends and blends and blends and, oh yeah, took care of that. I'm gonna go in with Texas Made in Unicorn Tribe. Give me that strong bright finish right here. I kind of don't even want to blend it really. I just kind of want it to sit there the way it is. Now I'm gonna go in with Unicorn Tribe right above it. This is from my Crown brush collection. I don't know what number it is. It doesn't have a number on it at all. It's just by Crown brushes. And I'm gonna go in and really focus on Unicorn Tribe right above Texas Made and blend, child. Blend to your heart's desire. You slay me, Britney. Every time you slay me, Britney. Moving right along. So I just played up my crease and honey, I'm in love. Now, I'm not going to cut my crease again. I'm not doing that. I just don't have the time to do it. Or I probably still wouldn't do it because I'm just not going to do it. Because I don't want to. I'm going to do Inspire because I just think Inspire is just so pretty. Ooh, Inspire comes out like really, really luscious. This is what you do when you don't want to do a cut crease. Okay. And it just pops like nobody's business. Ooh, girl. Sister girl. This is popping. Now, I know y'all probably like, girl, how you gonna fix this? Yeah. It's not super clean. Well, guess what, girl? It ain't gotta be. Whenever you get through. Now I'm gonna go in with my more detailed brush and like really get up in here. Girl, you out here looking like you could be the heir to somebody's throne. That's cute. I feel like I just really want to do green, and I just bought one of Urban Decay's new eyeliner pencils, and this is in Electric Empire. It is a very sparkly green. Look at how pretty that is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this glittery finish is literally so pretty to me. I'm going past my waterline a little bit. Just a tad. And they're so creamy that I can just blend that out like so underneath. Voila. And hey, Mardi Gras, you cute. It's not even Mardi Gras season, but baby, we popping. I've been really enjoying not giving myself such a super bold eyeliner, but I think today I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it today. You have to be so careful. Don't breathe. I can just control gel so much better than I can. I'm way better at it on other people than I am myself. So I'm gonna finish my face, pop my lashes on, and I'm gonna be back and we're gonna finish out this video with the Shimmer Body Oil, okay? Darling. You said what? I'm not fine. I'm not fashionable. I'm not jazzy. Darling, I've got riches beyond your wildest dreams. I just feel so damn good. Moving right along quickly to the Shimmer Body Oil. Ooh, child. This is pretty. This is going to look so good with this look. I already know it is. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. Luxe Lightweight Oil that gives skin a sun-kissed glow. And everything else is in different languages, and I don't know what other languages they are. But it is vegan, cruelty-free. It's supposed to last for about a year, 12 months. And we're just going to spray it. Okay, let me bring it down just a smidge. I don't want you seeing everything, girls. I'm a married woman, darling, and I'm not trying to let you see all of my goodies. Plus, my husband's going to kill me if I do. Now, let's go ahead and spray this. Oh, it feels... Oh, smells like, smells very vanilla and warm, like a warm vanilla. Right off the bat, y'all, this is real pretty. Ooh, this is nice and light. It rubs in kind of like a dry oil. But from what I can tell, the shimmer doesn't seem to be very overpowering. It may be different in the sun, however. As far as the shine goes, it's a very nice glistening type of shine. It doesn't feel sticky at all. If I were to compare it to Fenty, Fenty is more, I'm just gonna do a little bit. It's more of like a high shine, like gloss, and you gotta rub that bad boy in. It's not a game. So Anastasia Beverly Hills is spray. It's more of a dry spray. But yeah, it's very pretty. Yeah, so that's kind of how I feel about everything, you guys. I feel like with the Alyssa Edwards palette, I'd say level difficulty between a 5 and 7 depending on where you are in your makeup game. If you're not the greatest when it comes to solving problems, when it comes to patchiness and blending, it is a little patchy. Some of the brighter colors can be, but I feel like it's not to where you can't keep this palette. I've had palettes that were better performing than this one. However, I don't believe that this palette is horrible. I would not start off with a fluffy blending brush with those very bright colors in my crease. I just wouldn't. When it comes to bright, vivid colors, I always like to test it out by just patting them in my crease first and then taking a blending brush and blend them out around the edges. Because sometimes when you blend vivid colors, they tend to darken. These kind of did it. Not enough for me to be like, I don't like the palette. So, yeah. I just feel very fabulous. Come for me if you want to. Because I didn't buy that fan. Your presence isn't needed, okay? Thanks. It's called free 99. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below on this look. Am I fierce? Am I sexy? Did I do the darn thing? Don't forget to smack that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. If you had fun with me today, make sure you tap the bell too, because every time I upload, you gonna get a notification, baby. And you want my notifications because I don't know how to act on camera. So who wouldn't want to be entertained by that? Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.